I'm pretty much always stressed, but yeah, I mask it well. Where are my acting auditions, please? DM me. I'm great at masking.
I have nothing to do with this behavior. I'm sorry.
Music really makes me happy, and I feel so lucky that it is a profession. I'm not just pursuing it as a hobby.
I have this very vivid memory that after the recording was done, the music director called her and he said, पढ़ाई लिखाई में तो अच्छी हो ना, गाना नहीं होगा आपसे, छोड़ दो.
મોતી વેરાણા ચોકમાં આવ્યા અંબે માં ચોકમાં જગમગ થાય રે આવ્યા અંબે માં.
તાજા સમાચાર તમારી ભાષામાં મેળવવા માટે ડાઉનલોડ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડેની એપ.
ગુજરાતીમીડે.com સાથે આજે 3 એવા અવાજ છે જે અવાજ તમારો જીવ હોય ને એમાં થોડો ઓક્સિજન ઉમેરી દે વધારે. આટલું પોલ્યુશન છે, આપણને કેટલા બધા ઓક્સિજનની જરૂર છે, રાઈટ? અને મીઠો અવાજ એ મેડિટેશનની ફિલિંગ આપે. અને જે લોકો આ અવાજના માલિક છે, જે લોકો આ અવાજ આપણા સુધી પહોંચાડે છે, એ લોકો આજે આપણી સાથે વાત કરી રહ્યા છે. આપણી સાથે છે જાનવી શ્રીમાંકર, અંતરા અને અંકિતા. If we talk about your journey, how easy or difficult it was? The journey question is something that I usually avoid, but I think for someone who is the voice, you know, वो आवाज़ के पीछे की कहानी तो लोगों तक पहुंचनी ही चाहिए. That's what I feel.
So I think that with every artist, whether born with this much privilege or with that much privilege, everyone has their ups and downs. Everyone has their shares of difficulties. But I wouldn't say I've faced these difficulties or that difficulties. I'd like to say that I've really overall majorly enjoyed my journey, because the first reason, the essential reason why I was in this is because I love music. So music really makes me happy, and I feel so lucky that it is a profession. I'm not just pursuing it as a hobby, but something people love to do as a hobby back in the day. I'm able to pursue it as a profession and get paid for it and travel the world with it. So I wouldn't want to call it difficulties, but when I started my journey, I was very naive about a lot of things that I didn't understand, as we all are. And it should be, because there is an innocence about every age, you know. And but as I grew older, I understood what 10 years ago, that event that happened with me, what did that mean? And it's nice to look back upon it and take some learning out of it. Maybe 10 years later, I'll look back at the same thing with a different perspective, or with a different learning. So I'm just able to now understand myself better when I look back at my journey, and I'm able to make more informed decisions in the future. This is what how I look at it, not looking at any difficulties as such. But I'm very grateful for how my journey has panned out.
I believe your mom has played a very major role in, you know, where you are today.
Absolutely.
आप क्या कहेंगे? Because माँ अपना जीना पीछे छोड़ के, you know, अपने बच्चों के पीछे एक पूरी नई लाइफ शुरू कर देती है. तो समथिंग दैट यू वांट टू टेल हर, जो शायद कहना भूल गए क्योंकि बहुत सारे शोज हैं, बहुत काम है, बहुत ट्रैवलिंग है.
Ma, Papa, both of them have actually been a very intrinsic part of our journey as a whole. Lives actually. मतलब हम तो ऐसा कहते हैं कि नंदी फैमिली इज़ लाइक कार, यू नो, कार के 4 पहिए. यस, एक भी पहिया अगर नहीं काम किया तो द होल कार फॉल्स ऑफ, यू नो, फॉल्स अपार्ट. तो वी आर लाइक दैट, यू नो. विदाउट मम्मी पापा वी वुडंट हैव रीच्ड वेयर वी आर राइट नाउ.
Honestly speaking, see, whatever it is that we are doing, I feel like as children, you don't really think about goals, ambitions, how you want to go ahead. So the whole idea of sapna dekhna, of you know, putting in the work to get there, not getting demotivated, all of these ideas were sort of put in our heads by mama. So the day I think she realized that I was humming in pitch, she changed her entire life's course. Like, she was doing pretty fine career wise. She left her job. She
Completely moved from Assam to Kolkata so that my sister gets, you know, proper training in music.
So, I mean, starting from there to today, I mean, every little thing that we do professionally and in our personal lives, mama has to be informed because we know, yeah, she just needs to be informed. She has to be because she's like the driver of the car for us at this point, definitely. And, you know, the way, whether it is the content that we put online, the first time that we actually put out a video, it was not us. Yeah, we used to just play with stuff around the house all the time, and my mama decided to make a
Video.
rough random video on her phone and she put it online, and that blew up. So I think she's had the vision. We are still just trying to understand how a woman is so capable, so, you know, on point with everything, be it managing the house, be it managing our careers, be it managing papa, everything. And in a couple of years we'll have our own lives, and when I look at mom and I'm just like, is that what we have to become? I don't know how. Because like we've had conversations where we've discussed this.
She's literally like Durga Ma with, 10
Yes,
hands.
she is.
All moms are,
Avengers,
right,
X-Men,
Janvi?
yeah. Avengers, X-Men should consider mama for like their next edition.
That's lovely. Okay, now I'm going to ask you questions based on Navras. You can maybe share a story. If you want to share a song, you can do that too. It's your call. So, Shringar, you know, we all know what Shringar is. When did you feel a deep sense of love or attraction towards a project? If it's a person, your call if you want to share, or you know, something that you did, and you know, sometimes, I mean, we all love whatever we do, that's why we are doing it, right? But then there will be some song that you felt that, oh my god, wow, I did it, you know, that sense of attraction towards your own creation or something that you performed. All three of you. Shringar.
I think the first time that we co-wrote a song was this song called Rangja, and we were super nervous about it, but we were extremely happy with the way it turned out. And as singer-songwriters today, you hear a lot of views from a lot of people कि अरे classical नहीं चलेगा, it should be easy to hum, the lyrics should be easily understandable and stuff like that. And Rangja is everything opposite to that. Yeah. So we were kind of very proud of having defied everybody and making a song that, you know, being true to what we wanted, to our vision. Is it?
And especially when we performed it live on stage, we were actually very nervous about it. Say my sister just said that we heard a lot of different views. And not all of them were quite positive. So we were actually scared that even, the audience might not react well. Yeah. So after we performed, it was roaring with, applause, and it was quite overwhelming. So yeah.
I want to share a feeling that I experienced recently. Dholida is a song that I perform at every show. Yeah. The show is not complete unless I sing that
Of
song.
course.
Right, so I've been performing on a track, -1 track. Because the song is so heavily arranged that you can't possibly recreate that with just 5 musicians on stage, 6 musicians. But recently my band and I rehearsed, and I was like, it's time that we create a new version which can be performed live with our setup, with our sound.
Whatever we have,
And we spent
yeah.
a few hours just
Working on
ideating,
it.
working on it.
Wow.
And I can't tell you how much fun it was. I said, I am ready to give up on, but I just come back from a holiday to Istanbul. I said, I'm ready to give up 10 trips to Istanbul for a day just like this. It was so like exhilarating to be able to create that and listen to it and just have fun with what you have created. We heard it back again and again, and it was just that Shringar wadi feeling आवी थी मने.
हास्य रस. जिंदगी में कभी कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि गलत टाइम पे हंसी आ गई, और ऐसा तो बहुत ही होता है. I mean, we all are girls, we know. We end up laughing at the wrongest point. The wrongest is the wrong word, but yes, it does happen. The bad or good comic timing of your life.
It has happened कि स्टेज पर गाना गाते गाते हंसी छूट गई है माइक के ऊपर. But everybody is laughing because something funny has happened on stage. But like in terms, if I have to relate it with something with music, then that's what I can think of right away.
It's pretty much our whole lives.
These two, I think you all both make silly jokes and keep laughing all the time. That's what
Exactly. Our
sisters are.
sense of humor is really, really bad, but then I'm very proud of it. Good, right? Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
So आधे लोगों को समझ आती नहीं हमारी ह्यूमर इतनी अमेजिंग है. That was sarcasm for anyone who's doubting it. Yeah. So कोई और हंसता नहीं हमारे जोक्स पे, तो हम खुद ही हंस लेते. So that's pretty much our lives. Yeah. Okay. We're always laughing at the wrong place, wrong time.
I think it happens with all of us at some point of time. Okay, so we all know the song that कभी खुद पे कभी हालात पे रोना आया. कब था वो करुण रस के भाई साहब बस अब नहीं होगा मैं रो पड़ूंगी.
I've had it. It's ongoing. It keeps coming in. Yeah, it's life.
Yeah, of course.
So it keeps reminding me. I think I've experienced a lot of things to be able to say that it's ongoing. Yeah.
I think for Didi, it's like a shared experience, I could say, because Didi has been like learning music since she was 4. So pretty much her life has revolved around music, right? And while growing up, she was I think 13 or 14.
Yeah.
She went for this recording, and I have this very vivid memory that after the recording was done, the music director called her and he said, पढ़ाई लिखाई में तो अच्छी हो ना, गाना नहीं होगा आपसे, छोड़ दो.
आपकी आवाज़ मीठी नहीं है. It's not sweet enough to become a singer, is what I was told. And I was only 14, like she said. And unfortunately, I was undergoing this period, voice change. Period,
Yeah, puberty.
but weird phase.
Adolescent.
Adolescent phase, yeah. So after that experience, like, I was a person who had only ever dreamt of being a singer. So, and that was, I think, one of my first times walking into a studio. And I walked out hearing this. So as soon as I sat in the car, I just looked at Mama and said, Mummy, we are wasting time na. And let it be na. हो जाएगा, पढ़ाई कर लूँगी.
And for a long time, she was like hell-bent on not pursuing music. And Ma and I used to cry looking at my sister because we've seen how much hard she works. And looking at her would make us feel like maybe we did not, make her feel motivated enough to, actually keep going. But eventually things fell in place and
everything's fine. Cool. Still singing.
कब ऐसे सटक गई थी बहुत कि भाई साहब बस अभी 2-4 थप्पड़ लग जाएंगे प्लीज रौद्र. मतलब लोगों को लगता है कि कलाकार तो बहुत शांत होता है लेकिन
No, I
ऐसा
think
नहीं होता है, राइट? जनरली पीपल आई कैन लुक एट यू एंड आई कैन से कि तुम दोनों में से तुम्हें ज्यादा गुस्सा आता है.
oh my god, how did you guess that?
बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा तो ऐसे मुझे अभी लाइक टॉप ऑफ द माइंड नहीं आ रहा, बट हम दोनों में बहुत होते रहता है. जैसे स्पेशली अबाउट फूड.
Not just food, actually, every little thing. Why did you sit on that chair? Why did you take that notebook? Why did you take that pen?
मेरे कपड़े क्यों ले लिए, मुझसे पूछा क्यों
वो तो
नहीं.
बहनों में हमेशा होता है.
हाँ,
एंड बट आई थिंक वो बहुत गुस्सा वाला गुस्सा खाने को लेके होता है कि why did you take that last piece.
Joey doesn't share food.
Yeah, nor does Antara. That's it.
I started working on my anger management last year. Those moments usually happen a lot on stage when you've rehearsed so much. This one particular place in a song, this one particular line
mean
or
level
word,
how
whatever.
I can yeah.
Wow, mean and all, huh? I'm impressed. તો જ્યારે એ સ્ટેજ પર ના થાય તો એટલો ગુસ્સા જો મારાથી થયું હોય ભૂલ તો હું પોતાના પર ગુસ્સો કરું. ઓબ્વિયસલી હું દેખાડીશ નહીં વર્લ્ડને, પણ હું મારી અંદર પોતાને ગુસ્સો કરતી હોઉં છું. અને બીજા કોઈથી પણ મિસ્ટેક થયો તો પણ મને અંદર ગુસ્સા કે કેમ આ નહીં થયું,
વાતાવરણ સટક
આટલી આપણે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી હતી. તો that affects me a lot.
Now Bibats like ऐसे कई बार ऐसा होता है ना, लाइक स्पेशली आर्टिस्ट के साथ ऐसा बहुत होता है. हम कहीं भी जाते हैं सोशल गैदरिंग्स में, रैंडमली लोग गाना गाने को बोल देते हैं, कोई कुछ परफॉर्म करने को बोल देता है. समथिंग दैट हैपनिंग लाइक यू और व्हाट इज इट दैट मेक्स यू गो यू.
Like I'm a very not to say that I am at a high pedestal or anything, but maybe I'm just too used to, or that's how I am built now as an artist. But कोई गाता वक्ते સેજ પણ આમ બેસરું થઈ જાય તો મારા કાનને ખટકે અને હું બહુ કંટ્રોલ કરું કે બહાર ન દેખાડું પણ અંદર આવી જાય એક આમ થાય એ મને એક થાય કે
બિરયાનીમાં મોઢામાં એલચી આવે ત્યારે જેવી ફિલિંગ આવે ને એક્ઝેક્ટલી રાઈટ સો નો ઇલાયચી ઇન ધ બિરયાની ફોર અસ પ્લીઝ
લવ ઇટ
I can't think of anything that makes me go ew though.
But things that
you feel
it's not like always
it's like a
ew, but
butterfly
like okay, I'm not going to enjoy this, but हाँ ठीक है, okay, Harante types, you know, things like that. People, situation,
Yeah, if we are
anything.
like going into family gatherings and people just randomly start asking, और बेटा इसके आगे का प्लान शादी, अरे 12th के मार्क्स कितने थे? अरे भाई प्लीज नो डोंट.
Oh, and then there are some like distant relatives who will just come and the first thing they say is, "बेटा weight बढ़ गया है ना?" Or they'll just say, "Oh, पतली हो गई हो ना?" There's nothing else they seem to want to talk about.
Listen, I'm loving this women energy here. Because this is one thing that
yeah.
has really annoyed me whenever it has happened, and it happens a lot.
Oh, and then there's also people who still don't quite understand the idea of making a living out of being musicians.
Yes.
So they'll come and just ask questions like,
म्यूजिक तो ठीक है बट
और क्या
करते
करते
क्या
क्या
हो?
हो? हाँ. तो अभी बहुत चिढ़ होती है अंदर से वो आता है तो.
So Veer Ras, heroism, you know, heroic moment in your life, something that you have done for someone or for yourself, you have stood up for yourself or stood up for someone else or just given a savage reply to someone who was I can vouch for her. वो मतलब
she's like
तुम तीनों के बदले वही जवाब देती होगी.
नहीं इतना नहीं but
मतलब?
like since the time I was born she has been very protective about me. Like my mom says कि when I was like a छोटा सा baby, my sister used to feel very scared that you know someone might kidnap me. So my mom used to sleep with me on one side, दीदी on the other side. और वो होता है ना नींद में रात में she used to just turn towards दीदी. My दीदी ऐसे नींद में she would understand and she would push her to the other side. So since the time I was born, she's been very protective about me.
एंड स्कूल
So-
में वगैरह ऑल्सो लाइक गलती से आया ना कुछ कान में कि XYZ बुलीड हर कुछ किसी ने कुछ
Shield
बोला
लेके खड़ी हो जाती थी.
क्या
मैंने
कौन
किसने किया?
Who? हाँ.
So yeah.
That has been your
शी स्टार्टेड फ्लेक्सिंग इन स्कूल. मैं अंतरानंदी की बहन हुआ आराम से. That was fun.
so your Veer Ras has been complimenting,
Yes.
you know.
I think it's like a staircase. Like it's mama protecting us all, and then I think I try and sort of like take inspiration from that and
She's
protect
like a
this
pseudo mom.
being.
When I was very little and my parents used to tell me कि आ song શીખ કે હવે આ શીખ, they used to guide me कि આ શીખીશ તો you know આપણે નાનપણમાં કેટલા લતાજી આશાજીના ગીતો શીખવાડવાનું કહેતા. તો my dad is not very easy to impress. પણ એક મને ઇવેન્ટ એટલું ક્લિયરલી યાદ છે કે સુનિયો જી લેકિન ફિલ્મનું જે ગીત છે એ મેં પ્રિપેર
અઘરું છે.
કર્યું. હા. અને every time I would prepare a song and I would make them hear કે okay, here I'm ready with my song. Please have a listen and tell me, give me your feedback. And my dad was not very easy to impress. He would not say good adjectives very easily. So I wanted to impress him. And I sang the song and he said, સરસ આટલું એક શબ્દ બોલ્યા એમાં તો મને એમ લાગ્યું કે હું શું મેડલ જીતી ગઈ છું. I was over the top. So that is like my earliest memory of feeling victorious that I could impress him so that I could have him say just one good word about my singing. Because he's also been my best critic, so.
Which is the best compliment that he has given you?
Now in the last 2 years, he's given me a lot of compliments. He's become very generous now.
Okay. Adbhut Ras. I mean, maybe Kadaч when Sanjay Leela Bhansali said that, okay, you were singing for me in my film. Was that, oh my God, that a wonderment hoy.
હા પણ એ ત્યારે બિલીવ થવામાં આવ્યું નહોતું. તમે લોકો સમજો છો હું ગુજરાતીમાં વાત કરું છું. પછી જ્યારે આ ગીતનું શૂટ થવાનું હતું તો એમણે મને બોલાવી કે તું આવ શૂટ જોવા તારા ગીતનું. તો મને તો હજી પણ વિશ્વાસ નહોતો કે આ મારું ગીત રહેવાનું છે ફિલ્મમાં કે નહીં, બિકોઝ હી ઇઝ નોન ટુ ડુ અ લોટ ઓફ ટ્રાયલ એરર ધીસ ધેટ. તો જ્યારે હું એ જોવા ગઈ ને મેં જોયું કે ઓ વોટ ઇઝ ધીસ સેટ. એક તો હું પહેલી વાર કોઈ ફિલ્મના શૂટ સેટ પર ગઈ હતી અને એમાં આલિયા ભટ્ટ ને ઓલ ધીઝ ડાન્સર્સ, યુ કેન ઇમેજિન જે આખું સેટ બનાવ્યું હતું, ઇટ વોઝ બઝિંગ. અને કોરિયોગ્રાફર ત્યાં કૃતિ, શી ઇઝ ઓન ધ માઇક, શી ઇઝ guiding them, and everybody is pumping with energy, and I'm hearing my voice on these big speakers, looking at the monitors, watching them dance. I was blown away. That was that adbhut moment for me.
I think we have 2 to 3 such moments, nahi?
Yeah.
So first, our shared adbhut moment would be we sang our first Bengali song for a movie, like a Bengali playback last year. And we were very happy about it. Kari Bengali movie mein gaana aa gaya, bahut sahi. And then within a couple of months we hear that we were nominated for Filmfare for the same song.
Yeah.
So it did not hit us till the time like we were there,
Actually,
like, walking
there in the hall,
there,
yeah.
yeah. And then the entire time, so we were very chill about it. We were like, नहीं मिलने तो नहीं वाला है, हम तो ऐसे ही मजे करने जा रहे हैं. And social media influencer stuff, we were just like vlogging the whole experience and stuff. Yeah. And then we walk in, and the entire time I remember being starstruck. So we walked in and we saw like all these other celebrities who we'd watched on screen, and we're like, oh shit, that person, oh my god, that guy. So the entire time we were like that, and
then
they actually
suddenly
knew us.
you realize people were doing, oh my god.
Yeah, no, fair, but like people knew us.
Knew
Like they were
us.
like, we watched you. Oh, your song, right? This is the song that got nominated.
And like paparazzis were everywhere, and they were like taking
And
pictures.
you watch those paps videos online. So we had that moment there, and they were like, ma'am, pose right, left. I'm like, that moment's
And
happening.
even like we were entering the hall, we've only seen in like social media when celebrities enter. So there are a lot of
Camera people,
and there is audience. They're like, ma'am, one photo. That happened, and we were like, oh my god, what is happening? So,
Yeah, the vlogger in me wanted to like take a picture with like the camera people. Yeah. That was
Yeah.
me. That was one, and the second would be. So in 2019, just before lockdown, I had only started working with Rahman sir. Like I've been singing his scratches for a while. तो वैसे like उस टाइम पे ये हो रहा था कि 15 दिन के लिए I used to be asked to go and stay in Chennai. जितने scratches है सबका. So I had sung like a lot of scratches in those 15 days. I had no memory of क्या कहाँ पे गाया है. हो गया, आ गए, lockdown हो गया. Time passed. 2022. I think like a week before the release, the audio launch of PS1, I got a call from the studio saying you had sung this one scratch 2 years back, that's gotten finalized for the film, so come to the Mumbai studio and we're going to do the same song in 4 other languages. So I was just like, and it was told so casually to me. I was like, what? Which song? Where? It was like information overload. But
and she was, I think you were going to your exam hall.
yeah,
She was on her way to her exam hall, and she called us. She called Ma up, and she was like, Ma, I have an exam to attend, and I just got this call. What am I supposed to do? My mom said, exam aata jata rahega. You come back home. We are going to pack your suitcase. You're going.
go. We always had to balance academics and music. So बहुत सी और चीज़ों के लिए समय नहीं होता था. We never had the time to go and hang with our friends or like go and watch a movie. Every time there were movie plans, we had to cancel last moment. So I remember the day we finally went to the theatres to watch PS1 for the song. And I had always been cribbing about this कि मम्मी मुझे कहीं नहीं जाने को मिलता, हर फ्रेंड्स को वो स्लीप ओवर्स मिस हो जाता है, मूवी नहीं जाने देते हो, टाइम ही नहीं बचता. And that day we had actually booked half the theatre for all my friends. Like we finally did it, and we all went together for PS1. So I think that was one of our adbhut.
Tranquility. What gives you that feeling of Shant? What makes you, relate to the Shantaras? This moment.
I have a playlist that I really listen to bring me back to that point. Yeah.
Barish or early morning riyas?
Same for you?
Not really, but I don't know how to answer that.
अभी मुझे शांति की जरूरत नहीं है लाइफ में. Yeah.
दीदी तो बोलती है, you never want peace, you always want problems, which is actually true.
कलेशी बच्ची है ये थोड़ी-सी. But I think she finds peace with her pups.
Yeah,
That's
Neptune
the only
and
time I've
Mars.
seen her not being chaotic at home when she's sitting with Neptune and Mars.
Yeah.
What scares you? Bhayankar, fear.
A lot of things. I'm scared of a lot of things. I'm always on the edge. I'm always stressed. थोड़ा सा भी कुछ हो जाता है, एक बाल भी मतलब 19-20 हो जाता है. I'm like, what is going to happen? What is going to happen? But I think you will have a different opinion on it because I do not show it.
Yeah. She
Before
is very calm.
we go on stage, my sister is the one who is saying, why are you not stressed? Why are you not thinking of the performance? I'm thinking.
You're just not showing it.
In my
Yeah.
head, I'm like, but on stage, I'm like, no, it's all cool. We'll do it, and we actually do it. So, yeah, I'm pretty much always stressed, but yeah, I mask it well. Where are my acting auditions, please? DM me. I'm great at masking.
I have nothing to do with this behavior. I'm sorry.
So what scares you?
Scares me?
Bhayankar Ras, the fear.
Me? Do I scare you?
Or maybe did you feel uncertain about something, some decision that you made और लगा कि साला ये नहीं करना चाहिए था मुझे.
I remember being
Types.
terribly scared 1 month back. So I have recently moved to Mumbai, and I'm sure you've already like.
विराट ट्रेन में चढ़ गई थी.
I wish to have that experience.
No, please don't.
अभी तक नहीं हुआ है वो.
Don't.
But I'm sure you've already like guessed it. We've always been very sheltered and protected, and mama, papa. So this is like my first experience living away from home. So it was nerve-wracking, and I remember the first week I had breakdowns every day. I was late everywhere. I have never managed my meals on my own. So I was like, ये कैसे होता है? Being on time, making sure that I'm taking care of myself, also making sure I'm meeting my deadlines, reaching rehearsals on time, doing recordings properly, and I was like, नहीं ऐसे कैसे? And that's when I realized कितना कुछ हम family के साथ रहते तो it's just taken care of. You don't even realize. And a lot of times we're so ungrateful. And I think I had this one massive breakdown, and I just called mom and I was like, Mom, I'm sorry for all the times I was just ungrateful to you, because I know what it feels like to live alone now, and I'm not having the best time. But I think we have things under control now. So I was massively scared of messing things up. I was like, what if I underperform? What if I just abhi tak itne saalon mein I've gotten a hold of some things. What if this one decision of moving, to Bombay just messes things up and I'm not able to manage things? So I was like damn scared.
I'd like to share this little anecdote that happened in 2009. Not even 2009. 2009 is when Savarya, the film, released. But 2 years before that, I was part of performing, recording backing vocals for the whole film, for the background score and for all the songs. Lots of songs happened. And that was my first experience of being in a studio, being part of this big vocal canvas where I have to, blend in with the other voices. We were 5-6 girls singing together every day at Yashraj Studios. And one fine day, Sanjay sir from the monitor room says, and it's huge, okay, intimidating studio. So he says that I want to hear if everyone sing one by one, this one line. I started.
मुझे अभी डर लग गया सुन के.
हाँ, बहुत मतलब I was palpitating or whatever was happening inside of me. But when it came to me, I sang, and he said that he complimented me for how I sang among all the people. So I was like, okay, maybe I perform well when I'm scared. So
Fear.
yeah, but that was very special. What, 20 years ago? 15 years ago.
Obviously, I'm going to ask you to sing. So you can maybe pick up any song from from the show or anything, any song that we all have one song. It's always there. It's like a स्थायी भाव. It's there. कोई randomly गाना गाने को वो लोगों को सबसे पहले वही गाना याद आता है. ऐसा कोई song हो या something that you would want to.
હે મારી રૂમ ઝુમ કરતી આવી, મારી રૂમ ઝુમ કરતી આવી, આનંદ ઉત્સવને ગરબાની રમઝટ સાથે લાવી, એ મારી રૂમ ઝુમ કરતી આવી, મારી રૂમ ઝુમ કરતી આવી, ઝાંઝરને ઝનકારે માણી સખીઓ સાથે લાવી, હે હે મોતી વેરાણા ચોકમાં આવ્યા અંબે માં, ચોકમાં જગમગ થાય રે આવ્યા અંબે માં, ઉડાવો લાલ ગુલાલ રે અંબે માં, ચોકમાં જગમગ થાય રે આવ્યા અંબે માં, રે આવ્યા અંબે માં, રે આવ્યા અંબે માં, રે આવ્યા અંબે માં.
વાવ. તો પૂછે છે ચાલશે? લાઈક અરે આ લોકોએ બંધ કરી દીધું એવું થયું મને. They should sing more. And you know, you guys are amazing, and obviously I got greedy when you were singing. I said, "Chodo badare, chodo badare." And it was lovely talking to all of you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, and all the best for the show.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો ગુજરાતી મિડ ડે. બેલ આઇકોન પર ક્લિક કરીને મેળવો તમામ વિડીયોના ડાયરેક્ટ નોટિફિકેશન.